Hi, I'm Adam Braun. I was born in Portland, Maine, and now I am living in Tuftonboro, New Hampshire. My hobbies include reading, traveling, watching movies, woodworking, going to the beach, cooking, playing video games, and working out. I have a dog named Maida and two cats, Percy and One Eye. I graduated from the University of New Hampshire in 2015 with a major in genetics and a minor in biomedical science. After college, I worked at Lonza Biologics, a biopharmaceutical company. The job was interesting, but I did not feel fulfilled, so I decided to get a master's degree in public health. During college, I joined the Global Brigades of New University of New Hampshire. I went to Honduras, Ghana, and Nicaragua. The group would travel to rural villages, providing medical and dental attention and helping increase public health through educational seminars. These experiences showed me what a country without public health knowledge and resources was like. Prior to the trip, we would work with in-country staff to assess the needs of each community. Once there, we would gather medical information to help track the health of the community. Some problems the communities faced were houses with dirt floors, improper interior ventilation, dirty water, unsafe waste disposal, sickly animals free to roam, and lack of insect repellent. For my final project, I will be focusing on Wolfboro or Ospey. Both are in New Hampshire. They are adjacent towns, but one is affluent and the other faces a lot of poverty. Both towns are dealing with a large heroin problem, so it will be interesting to learn about the other health issues that the communities have. Thanks for listening. Let's have a fun semester.